Hello, everyone. Welcome to Vinray's Academy. This is Vinay. Welcome to the mobile testing series. Today, we'll explore mobile app performance testing, a crucial aspect of delivering a seamless and reliable user experience. Performance issues such as slow load times or excessive battery usage are among the leading causes of app uninstalls. In this video, we'll discuss why performance testing matters, the key metrics to monitor, tools you can use, and best practices to optimize performance. By the end, you'll have actionable insights to improve your app's performance and ensure user satisfaction. Let's dive in. Mobile performance testing is essential because it directly impacts the user experience. Imagine opening an app and it crashes or takes too long to load. Studies show that 53% of users will uninstall an app if it crashes, and 70% will abandon apps with poor performance. A well performing app not only reduces user churn, but also drives positive reviews and recommendations. This builds trust and strengthens your app's reputation in a competitive market. Performance testing ensures your app delivers a seamless and reliable experience, keeping your users satisfied and engaged. To effectively measure performance, focus on these key metrics. App launch time. Users expect apps to open in under 2 seconds. Anything slower creates a poor first impression. Response time. How quickly your app responds to actions like button clicks. Delays here frustrate users. Memory usage. High RAM consumption can lead to crashes, especially on low end devices. Battery usage. Apps that drain the battery are quickly uninstalled. Network usage. Test how your app handles data on different network types, including slow or unstable connections. These metrics help you identify and prioritize performance optimizations. App launch time is critical because it shapes the user's first impression of your app. Research shows that users expect apps to open in under 2 seconds. Factors like resource loading, large assets, and complex initialization processes can delay the launch. To optimize launch time, use lazy loading to delay non-critical components and compress large resources. Tools like Firebase performance monitoring and Xcode instruments can help you analyze and improve your app's startup performance. Memory usage is another critical performance metric. Apps that consume too much RAM often crash or slow down the entire device. Memory leaks, where your app doesn't release unused memory, can degrade performance over time. To address this, monitor memory allocation using Android Profiler and detect leaks with Leak Canary. Optimize data structures and avoid holding on to unnecessary objects in memory. These steps ensure your app runs smoothly, even on devices with limited resources. Battery life is a top concern for mobile users. If your app consumes too much battery, especially in the background, users are likely to uninstall it. Common culprits include background processes, constant location tracking, and frequent network requests. Tools like Power Profiler and Energy Impact can help identify battery draining behaviors. To optimize, reduce polling intervals for APIs, optimize background processes, and ensure your app uses location services efficiently. Network performance is critical for apps that rely on internet connectivity. Key metrics include latency, how quickly your app can send and receive data, and data consumption, which affects user costs. It's essential to test your app on various network types, from 3G to 5G, to ensure it performs well under different conditions. Tools like Charles Proxy and Wireshark can help analyze and optimize network requests. Now let's look at some tools that can simplify performance testing. Firebase. Performance monitoring provides real-time insights into your app's performance. Apple Instruments is perfect for profiling iOS apps. JMeter is widely used for testing APIs and load handling. BrowserStack allows you to test your app on real devices in the cloud. These tools provide actionable insights, making it easier to identify and fix performance bottlenecks. Performance testing comes with challenges, starting with device fragmentation. With so many devices and OS versions in use, ensuring compatibility can be daunting. Network variability is another issue. Apps must perform well on slow, fast, and unstable networks. Finally, setting up realistic test scenarios is time consuming but essential for accurate results. Addressing these challenges requires careful planning and the right tools. To succeed in performance testing, follow these best practices. Test on both physical devices and emulators to cover a range of scenarios. Use cloud-based platforms like BrowserStack to scale your testing. Simulate real-world conditions such as low battery or poor network connectivity. Focus on critical user flows first, like login or checkout, to ensure smooth experiences for your users. These steps will help you deliver a high-quality app. Let's look at a real-world example. A fintech app faced user complaints about slow transaction processing. Using Firebase performance monitoring and Charles proxy, the development team identified high network latency during API calls. By optimizing their server communication, they reduced transaction times by 40%, leading to improved user satisfaction and higher retention rates. This shows how effective performance testing can drive real business outcomes. In conclusion, mobile app performance testing is a vital step in delivering an app that users love. By focusing on metrics like app launch time, memory usage, and battery consumption, and using the right tools, you can ensure your app performs well across devices and conditions. Regularly testing and optimizing performance will keep your app competitive. Thank you for watching this video in our mobile testing series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights on mobile app testing.